Yo, hey guys, SmallmouthCrush, another fishing report video coming to you from the St. Lawrence River and Lake Ontario. Today is Saturday. We got one more day to legally target a bass, and then they're gonna shut her down on us. It will not open for me here in these two counties until June 15th. In the meantime, I'll be running perch trips, some brown trout trips, and fixing on the boat and organizing. Plus I got that compound up in Cape Vincent. Do have a Airbnb up there, a nightly rental studio apartment if anyone's interested in coming up. Just got 2 beds, well, a futon and a queen size bed. So if you and your fishing partner friend want to stay up there for a night or two, you can decide if you want to cuddle together, or one dude gets the futon and one dude gets the queen size bed. It's a cute little studio. I decorated it myself. Hey, we're gonna head offshore, try to find a few fish, and deal with the winds again. It's been windy, obviously, up here every single day, and I don't know why. I don't know. Dr. Fauci has something to do with it. I don't know. I don't know why it's windy, but it is. We're gonna head offshore, catch a few fish. It's all coming up. Okay, they're on the board. Alright. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Hook release. Love it. Oh, hey, get your rod up. There's 3 of them. Cast about 30 feet that way. Like that. That's a good one. Woo. There we go. A little better. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna make this another quick fishing report video. Today, what did we even do? What did I do? Where'd I go? Where'd I launch? Oh, so fished the river, and we ran shallow. Actually, we started shallow. We were in about 10 feet or less of water all day long, and we're just running rock clusters, throwing Neds and 1/4 ounce Beast Coast open water sniper jigs, just hitting shallow stuff. Made about, I don't know, 30-mile round trip, and just hit everything I knew. And we had fish consistently all along. Couple, I don't know what it was, 612 maybe was the biggest, couple 6s. We had a good bag, yeah, 30 pack for sure, but it seemed like every stop you'd pick up 3 or 4 fish, if that. It wasn't like things were loaded, so we just bounced around a bunch. Afternoon went out, and we fished, primarily started shallow, had awesome bite, caught a pretty good bag right away, and then we went deep, and they were stacked. 3/8 ounce Beast Coast sniper jig, put some in the boat, as well as the Little General on the Ned. That's about it. Still windy. It's gonna be windy tomorrow. We'll be back out, give you a report, let you know how we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave any likes, leave any comments, and as always, until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.